just an update on Eaglemoss and parts that are going to be available to us here real soon in the near future, 2023 it looks like. Ben Robinson just posted on Twitter a few posts, and I'll read those to you. And I quote, this is what Ben Robinson posted 2 hours ago. Here's what I can say as of now. One company has bought the existing stock of the ships and figurines. I'm working with them to set up an e-shop that will launch in the new year. The plan is to sell everything at regular prices. I'm looking at the stock now. More news in 23. So he's referring to 2023. The second post after that is a second company has taken over the builds. Let me re-say that here again, sorry. A second company has taken over the build-ups. They are close to making an announcement, but aren't quite ready. I'm working with them too. You will have to confirm where you want to start your subscription again. More news soon. This will be a new website. And post number 3. If you paid Eaglemoss for things you didn't get, you should do should have done everything you can to get that money back. Eaglemoss owed a lot of people money, including the staff. The new companies have taken over the rights and bought the stock, but not the depths. So they don't owe, the new companies don't owe you any money. You need to go after your money yourself in this case. Number 4. Both companies plan to sell in both the US and the UK. I will let you know about the other countries when I find out. Okay, so I'm quoting Ben Robinson in Twitter, which he posted about 2 hours ago. And today is December 13th. Number 5. There are good reasons to believe that someone will produce the new Star Trek ships. That hasn't been made yet. I hope to be involved with that. It takes a long time though, so we won't see new ships before late 2023 at the earliest. It's more likely to be 2024. And the final post that he put out, which was number 6 post from 2 hours ago. You will have to sign up to receive emails from both of these companies. I'll let you know how to do that once it's up and running. In the meantime, I'll be helping both companies and I will try to spread the word. So that's all I have as far as updated news on your Partwork kits. And I'm like you, I have a lot of parts I'm still missing to complete my builds. So look for it on my channel. I will be able to finish the GTR. I have all the parts for that, but I don't have all the parts for the rest of the cars I was building, the Ecto 1, the Willie Jeep, the Eleanor, and the DeLorean. So that's the one I really want to get done, is the DeLorean. So I hope this helped you out, and I hope everybody can hear me. I don't see anybody in the chat, but I'm going to go ahead and end the stream there. So I'm looking for more subscribers on my channel. I've been trying to give you guys more content as I can. This beauty right here, I'm going to feature it on my channel for Christmas, and that's Noelle. That's Santa's helper. She's looking fantastic. As well as Yoda. I just finished Yoda. He's 3D printed, and I've been doing him a long time, just able to get onto the bench and get him completed, but that's Yoda. So, you know, go back to my video lists and look at all my recent postings with the paints and all that. And, you know, I hope to give you guys some tutorials on painting here Also, I have a lot going on. Ooh, this is the Jaguar luggage rack for the trunk lid, and I'm looking at putting some earth magnets on it because I don't want to drill through the trunk lid, so it'll stay in place with magnets. But there you go. So I hope this news is good for you. It's good for me too, and I look forward to getting all my parts that I need to complete those builds. So with that, thank you all who subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for all video upload notifications, and please give me a thumbs up. Take care, everybody, and I will do another live feed in a little bit later. Thank you.